So you girls go here?
Stop! We're from out of town.
Oh, no way. That's
Yeah.
sexy.
You guys ready to dip? Oh,
Just go take a seat over there.
Teddy.
Call Lyft. Here. Get the app, request Lyft, and tell it where you're going.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals, like animals. Maybe you think
Hey, someone needs a lift?
I do.
I
right
could
here.
use
lift?
I need a lift.
Come on, let's get you home. Drive smart, ride Lyft.